You searched how to buy shares of Fat Brands Inc. Fat Brands Inc. is a franchisor of several restaurant brands operating in casual and fast casual dining, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FAT. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and then add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FAT to locate Fat Brands Inc. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company to ensure you have the correct asset. On the asset page, review the company summary and the recent price chart to confirm details about the listing. Make sure the page clearly shows Fat Brands Inc. and the FAT ticker on NASDAQ before proceeding. Press Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details, fees, and order type before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or scheduled, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can complete. Once your order executes, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to visit the platform.